since graduation. Chriselyn.
Graduates, faculty members, relatives, parents, and guests. It is truly an honor to be here celebrating with you. I sat where you were sitting last November for my graduation from UTS. I remember how tight the trencher was. It made a line on my forehead. But the date I remember more vividly is the 14th of October 2020. My first class at UTS College, online, during the pandemic. For 8 months, I woke up at 4 a.m. for class, and I graduated online too. For many of us who studied online during the pandemic, stepping foot onto campus for the first time was a daunting experience. But what helped me through was 3H. And I'd like to share them with you today. Firstly, hope. On Christmas Day 2021, I jumped on a plane with my luggage and a dream. Only a few days after I heard the Australian border was open, and I had run towards my dad, shouting, "Book the flight ASAP, please." Hopefully they were not offended by my desperation to leave. What I felt was hope. It was hope that outweighed my anxiety flying my longest solo flight. It was hope that convinced me that my decision to come to Sydney and study at UTS would bring the best out of me. And now standing here as an alumnus, I continue to feel that hope for the future. Secondly, hi. In each birthday card I write to Alice, my best friend, I always mention how forever thankful I am for that day she first said hi to me. Natasha was also one of the first people online I said hi to. My student ambassador role was another opportunity derived from a single help. When Ashka, the host of an online orientation, initiated a conversation with me and found out that I had a YouTube channel. A former staff member at UTS College, BT, then followed me on Instagram and sent me a DM saying hi and that she was enjoying my vlogs. Fast forward a few months, she referred me to the student ambassador role, which has truly been an enriching experience. Saying that first hello can get you a long way. Chances are, the other person is waiting for that hello as well. So take a chance and say hi first. Last but not least, help. I can't stress enough how crucial it is to ask for help. English is not my native language, but the Help Center, Grammarly, Studiously, just to name a few, assisted me in so many ways to get HDs, which then granted me the outstanding graduate prize. And I feel very thankful to have received that. Many of you are international students. I know how it feels when you're sick and your mom isn't there to cook your favorite chicken soup, or to shout, wake up, you're late, to you when your 5-stack alarms still fail to wake you up. We are constantly changing apartments, jobs, relationships, and being far away from home, homesick can really hit hard. But here's my small tip. Tell someone. That someone could be that person you say hi to, your tutor, your housemate, the UTS counseling service, or Talk Campus. There's always someone you can reach out to. And don't forget to join some active at UTS clubs and societies to meet more people and make new friends with common interests. Moving on to UTS will bring you new experiences that can be fantastic, beautiful, and transformative. But remember, to have hope, say hi first, and ask for help when you need it. Congratulations and all the very best of luck at UTS. Thank you.